Hey there. So today I want to tell you about our design process and how we work with our clients to ensure that we can bring your vision into something reality, right? And we have been doing this for over 5 years, but I've never recorded this video. I'm not sure why. So I just want to share you how we work with our clients, just so either this can help someone who's building their own agency or is a freelancer, or it can give our clients a sneak peek into how we work, right? This mostly will be me talking today. I'll do show you something as to how we work, but I think primarily it will be mostly me talking. So we usually have a 7-step process, right? The first one would be the discovery call. You book, you go to a website, so whenever you want to just book, you can just go to wixfreaks.com/bookings, and that's where you can just find us. You can find all of our different services. You'll be connected to a different team. You can just go to this website. You'll find all the different services you want to. And then you can click on one of the services. Let's say you want Velo or design, and you can just book a discovery call there. We receive all of your information and then we set up a discovery call. Here, we go through in detail about everything that we think we need to ask about to get to know you, to get to know about your business, your vision, your goals, what are your timelines, what are your budget, everything. We collect all the information, write them down as well, and we send you a summary right after. Once the discovery call is done, expecting that we would work together, the next phase is mostly the onboarding call, because once we have the discovery call, we send you the contracts and everything. The second step is the onboarding call. Before this onboarding call, we set the project up on ClickUp. So I'm sure you have seen how our setup works. So yeah, these are the YouTube videos I'm working on. But we mostly have a lot of client projects that we work with, and we set up, let's say currently we are working on this project. So we set this up first, what are the tasks that we need to work on. And once these are done, we have an onboarding call to go through the task. Though, we also have the canvas where we have all the information about the project and everything. So this is what we have. That's the second step, which is the onboarding call, to make sure we both understand we're on the same page. The third step is once we have finalized the tasks, the scope of the work, we go to design, right? So we start with the design process. We create each page, we create the assets, we create how things will look, what kind of colors we are using. We have all of this ready, right? And we give this to you so you can comment, you can give your opinions and everything. So that's the third step, which is the Figma design. The fourth step, which is very crucial, is the feedback and implementation and changes of those feedback. So we give this to you, we have a period of feedback. We give this to you, we collect all of your feedback, understand what you need, because sometimes there might be a difference of design style than what you expect. So once you see something, the first draft, you'll have more ideas, and based on that, we can make changes. And that's exactly what we do. We make those changes, we make those design changes, and that's the fourth and very, very important step. The fifth step is the implementation on Wix. Now, we do the implementation on Wix, making sure it's completely responsive. It has everything. So this is a design which you just saw on Figma, and then we make sure it's completely responsive. Not only just on a particular screen size, we make sure it's responsive on all screen sizes. We also have the animation and everything. So this is the fifth most important step. The sixth step is, again, after the responsiveness, is the QA process. You want to go through every page, every link, every button, every text of everything. And this is also, every step is important, but this becomes the most important step for us to have that edge on the quality, right? And the final step is the launch, right? Once we have things ready, we launch the website to make sure that everything's correct. And as you can see, we have certain animations. We make small animation. We have these effects. We create all of these assets for you as well. So we want to make sure everything's ready. And that's how our design process looks like. So you can check up the ClickUp process as well, where the link will be somewhere around here, where we also show how we do the ClickUp process setup and what all you get when you work with us. So thank you so much. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.